Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 11th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 2, continuation of exercise 2.12. Now problem number 3. Solve log x to the base 8 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 2, that is equal to 11. Solve, that means we have to find out the value of variable x. Here is the question. Log x to the base 8, according to the change of base rule, 1 divided by log x to the base 8 becomes 8 to the base x. Like that, 1 divided by log 4 to the base x plus 1 divided by log of 2 to the base x, that is equal to 1. Since by change of base rule, which implies 1 divided by log 8 itself we can write 2 cube to the base x plus 1 divided by log 2 squared to the base x, 4 itself 2 squared, plus 1 divided by log 2 to the base x as it is, that is equal to 11. Which implies 1 divided by log 2 to the base x the whole cube. According to the power rule of logarithm, 3 can be brought before logarithm, log 3 log 2 to the base x plus, like that, same power rule, 2 log 2 to the base x, 1 divided by log 2 to the base x, that is equal to 11. Since by power rule of logarithm. Next step, you can take 1 in the numerator as common and the denominator log 2 to the base x. So 1 divided by log 2 to the base x as common. After taking, since the 3 is in denominator, we have tried 1 by 3 and 2 is in denominator, right, 1 by 2, and we have taken this expression as common, we have tried 1, that is equal to 11. Again, by the change of base rule, this expression can be written as, when it comes to a numerator, you have to interchange base and index. Log 2 to the base x becomes log x to the base 2 plus LCM 6, 3 and 2 LCM 6, you write 1 as 1 by 1. 3 table for getting 6, 2 times 2 ones are 2. 2 table for getting 6, 3 times 3 ones are 3. 1 table for getting 6, 6 times 6 ones are 6, that is equal to 11. Log x to the base 2 into, if we add everything, we are getting 11 by 6, that is equal to 11. Log x to the base 2, that is equal to 11 into 11 by 6, you just cross multiply 6 by 11, that's a reciprocal, 6 by 11, 11 get cancelled. So log x to the base 2, that is equal to 6. We know that log y to the base a, that is equal to x, which implies y that is equal to a power x, y that is equal to a power x, which implies in y place we have x, in y place we have x, so you have to write x equals a power x. A power x becomes 2 power 6, okay? 2 power 6, which implies x equals 2 power 6 means 2 should be multiplied for 6 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So x, that is equal to 64. So problem number 3 is completed. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.